Hey, everybody! Welcome to the channel. And in this video, friends, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can quickly and easily find the link to your Facebook profile. Don't forget, friends, please do not forget to like this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and also, friends, please write your comments. Alright, let's get to this topic. And I want to tell you that this is a very easy process. And you're gonna need to open up Facebook and then go to your account and then click on the three dots. And here, friends, you'll need to scroll to the very bottom. You will find an option called Copy Profile Link. Click on that option. As you can see, the link will be copied. And now you can send it to any messenger or social network. You can add it to your notes, share it, and so on so that people can go to your Facebook account. That's how very quick and easy it is, friends. You can find the link to your Facebook profile. Don't forget to please subscribe to the channel and also put your likes. See you, friends.